To change the battery on your Casio G-Shock, start by placing it face down on a table. Using a small Phillips head screwdriver, remove the 4 screws from the back cover. By the way, if you need tools, I recommend a complete kit that contains everything you need for your watch maintenance. You can find a link to order it in the description. Once the 4 screws are removed, use a small pair of pliers to lift the cover. The first thing you'll see underneath is this piece of rubber. You can remove it. The battery is just below that sticker with a warning sign. For this part, you'll need a fairly sharp object. Simply pull on the thin strip right here. It's not too complicated, but you really need a tool that's very narrow with a very thin end like this small precision screwdriver. You can then remove the battery with a pair of pliers. Make sure to note the model number because you'll need to replace it with the same one. In this case, it's a CR 2016. If you want to order one, you can use the link in the description. Put your new battery in the same direction, meaning the positive side up. You can now close the bracket. And be careful, it's possible that it won't close properly and even that your battery will escape. If that's the case, use a very small tool to gently push on this part of the strip to deform it slightly. Apparently, this part holds everything in place. Once deformed, it shouldn't move anymore. There you go. Now, do you remember the sticker we removed at the beginning? It has to make contact with AC and negative. Apparently, I misunderstood the message because I made contact with AC and the positive of the battery. It seems to be very important, but it didn't cause me any problem. What you need to touch with your pair of pliers is the AC right here, as well as the contact in the negative hole right there. And do this for 2 seconds. It's like a reset. You can put the sticker back to remember to do it next time. Then put the piece of rubber back and make sure to align it with all the elements. It should be positioned as you see it now. Please note that it's incorrectly reinstalled for the rest of the video. Behind your cover, you may find a seal. It helps to keep the watch waterproof. It's important to put it back in its mold correctly. Now put the cover back on along with its 4 screws. Tighten them well, but not too much. And there you have it. We're finally done. If you need help setting up your watch, you can take a look at the video in the upper right corner. Otherwise, we are done. I hope the video was helpful.